ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास। ओके, हमने कल क्या पढ़ा था? जो स्प्रिंग सीज़न है वो इसके जॉइंट के गार्डन में आ जाता है। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। टू सेलिब्रेट द रिटर्न ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, trees covered themselves with the verbs and blossoms. The child was delighted to see his friends back, especially a little boy whom he loved dearly. The little boy soon disappeared, only to return much later. He saw a wonderful sight, a most wonderful sight. Through a little hole in the wall, the children had crept होता है अंदर आना, and they were sitting in the branches of the trees. In every tree that he could see, there was a little child, and the trees were so glad to have the children back again that they had covered themselves with blossoms and were waving their arms gently above the children's hands. The birds were flying about and the twittering with delight, and the flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. It was a lovely scene. Only in the corner, it was a little still winter. It was the farthest corner of the garden. Farthest means बहुत दूर. And in it was standing a little boy. He was so small that he could not reach up the branches of the tree. As he was wandering all round it, crying bitterly होता है बहुत पूरे तरीके से रोना. The poor tree was still covered with frost and snow, and the north wind was blowing and roaring above it. Climb up, little boy, said the tree, and it went its branches down as low as it could. But the boy was so funny, and the giant's heart melted, and he looked out. How selfish I have been, he said. Now I know why the spring would not come here. I will put that poor little boy on the top of the tree, and then I will knock down the wall, and my garden shall be the children's playground forever and ever. He was really very sorry for what he had done. अब क्या होता है? When the giant saw out of his window, he saw a wonderful sight. कौन सा दृश्य होता है वो? The children came inside the garden through a hole. The tree were so glad to see the children back, and the children were sitting on the branches of the tree. The birds were flying, and the flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. But in the corner of the garden there was still winter, and there standing a little boy. He was so small that he could not reach the sorry he was so small and crying bitterly, and the tree in that corner still covered with frost. जो ट्री था वो अभी भी ठंड के साथ ढका हुआ था. तब वो ट्री उस छोटे से बच्चे को बोलता है कि आओ, अपनी ब्रांचेस को नीचे करके बोलता है कि आओ मेरे ऊपर चढ़ जाओ. तो वो क्या करता है, जो एंड द जाइंट्स हर्ट मेल्टेड, और उसका जो जाइंट ये सारा दृश्य देख के जो जाइंट होता है उसका दिल पिघल जाता है. एंड थॉट दैट इट वॉज that I was very selfish. I will put that little boy on the tree, and from now this garden is the children's playground. So he crept downstairs and opened the front door quite softly and went out into the garden. But when the children saw him, they were so frightened that they all ran away, and the garden became winter again. Only the little boy did not run, for his eyes were so full of tears that he did not see the giant coming. And the giant stole up means came quietly without being noticed, मतलब बिना किसी को बताए चोरी से उसके आना पीछे, behind him, and took him gently in his hands and put him into the tree. And the tree broke at once into the blossoms, and the birds came and sang on it. And the little boy stretched out his two arms and flung them round the giant's neck and kissed him. And the other children, when they saw that the giant was not wicked means kharab or dusht any longer, came running back. With them came the spring. It is your garden now, little children, said the giant, and he took a great axe, axe, and knocked down the wall. And when the people were going to the market, and At 12 o'clock, they found the giant playing with the children in the most beautiful garden they had ever seen. All day long they played. In the evening, they came to the giant to bid him goodbye. But where is your little companion? He said. The boy I put into the tree. The giant loved him the best because he had kissed him. We don't know, answered the children. He has gone away. You must tell him to be sure and come tomorrow, said the giant. But the children said that they did not know where he lived and he had never seen him before, and the giant felt very sad. अब उसके बाद वो क्या होता है, तो द जाइंट केम इन टू द गार्डन बट व्हेन द चिल्ड्रन सॉ हिम दे वर फ्राइटेंड, वो डर गए और इधर उधर भागना शुरू कर दिया. बट दैट लिटिल बॉय डिड नॉट रन. द जाइंट वेंट नियर हिम एंड दैट चाइल्ड एंड took him gently in his hands and put him into the tree, and the tree broke out at once into blossoms. The birds came and sang on it. अब वो पेड़ भी जब वो पेड़ उस बच्चे जो बच्चा उस पेड़ पे चढ़ जाता है तो वो पेड़ भी उससे फूलों से भर जाता है और पक्षियों से भर जाता है. वो छोटा सा जब बच्चा बहुत खुश होता है और उसको किस करता है. व्हेन द अदर चिल्ड्रन नोटिस दैट द जाइंट वाज नॉट विक्ड, दे कम बैक एंड विद देम केम स्प्रिंग. जो स्प्रिंग है वो भी उनके साथ आती है. ही सेड टू द चिल्ड्रन, डियर चिल्ड्रन, इट इज़ योर गार्डन नाउ. वो एक कुल्हाड़ी लेता है और वो जो सारी उसने दीवार लगाई होती है उसके चारों तरफ उसको तोड़ देता है. ऑल डे लॉन्ग चिल्ड्रन प्लेड देयर. द जाइंट नोटिस दैट द लिटिल बॉय वॉज नॉट कम इन द गार्डन. देन ही आस्क्ड फ्रॉम चिल्ड्रन, वेयर इज़ योर लिटिल कंपेनियन. कंपेनियन में जो आपका छोटा सा साथी कहाँ है. दे रिप्लाइड, हमें नहीं पता, कि हमने उसको पहले कभी भी नहीं देखा था. हम वो रहता कहाँ है हमें तो ये भी नहीं पता है. Every afternoon, when school was over, the children came and played with the giant, but the little boy whom the giant loved never seen again. The giant was very kind to all children, yet he longed for his little friend and often spoke of him. How I would like to see him, he used to say. Years went by. The giant grew very old and feeble. Feeble होता है weak होना, बहुत कमज़ोर हो जाना. He could not play about anymore, so he sat in a huge armchair and watched the children at their games and admired his garden. और अपने तारीफ करना means, and I have many beautiful flowers, he said, but the children are the most beautiful flowers of all. One winter morning he looked out of his window as if he was dressing. He did not hate the winter now, for he knew that it was merely the spring asleep and that the flowers were resting. Suddenly he rubbed his eyes in wonder and looked. It certainly was a marvelous sight. In the farthest corner of the garden was a tree quite covered with lovely white blossoms. Its branches were golden and silver fruit hung down from them, and the underneath मतलब नीचे, it stood the little boy he had loved, वही छोटा सा बच्चा. Downstairs ran the giants in great joy. Out into the garden he hastened होता है फास्ट, ही बहुत तेज. Across the grass and came near to the child, and when he came quite close to, face grew red with anger, and he said, who hath dared to wound thee. Thee means you. wound होता है घाव देना. For on the palms of the child's hands were the prints of 2 nails, and the prints of 2 nails were on the little feet. Who hath dared to wound thee? Thee means you, cried the giant. Tell me that I may take my big sword means talwar, and slay him. No, admired the child, but these are the boons of love. Who art thou मतलब who are you, said the giant. And strange Eve fell on him, and he knelt before the little child. And the child smiled on giant and said to him, you let me play once in your garden. Today you shall come with me to my garden, which is paradise. Paradise means work. And when the children ran in that afternoon, and they found the giant lying dead under the tree and all covered with white blossoms. अब क्या होता है, वो जो जाइंट होता है उसने क्या किया होता है, जो सारी दीवार को उसको तोड़ देता है बच्चों को खेलने के लिए. द जाइंट वाज वेरी काइंड टू चिल्ड्रन, but he still waited for his small friend. Years went, the giant grew old and feeble. Now he could not play with children, just he sat in the chair and admired his garden. So I have many beautiful flowers, बट द चिल्ड्रन आर द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स ऑफ ऑल. जो मेरे गार्डन में बहुत अच्छे अच्छे फूल हैं, बट जो बच्चे होते हैं वो सबसे प्यारे फूल होते हैं. वन विंटर मॉर्निंग जब वो तैयार हो रहा होता है, तो वो क्या देखता है कि एक कोने में एक जो पेड़ लगा हुआ, एक पेड़ है जो सिल्वर जो बर्फ़ से ढका हुआ है, उसके नीचे एक छोटा सा बच्चा खड़ा है. वही बच्चा जो उसको पहले वो दिखा था. तो वो फटाफट से द जाइंट रैन इनटू द गार्डन व्हेन ही केम नियर टू द चाइल्ड. तो वो बिल्कुल जब उसके पास जाता है तो उसका जो फेस है रेड हो जाता है जाइंट का, और गुस्से से, क्योंकि जो उसके हाथ और पैरों पे उस पर क्या होते हैं, नेल्स के निशान लगे होते हैं, घाव होते हैं. तो वो उससे पूछता है कि तुम्हें नुकसान किसने पहुंचाया, तो मुझे जल्दी बताओ किसने तुम्हें नुकसान पहुंचाया, मैं उसको मार दूंगा. द चाइल्ड आंसर्ड, नो, दीज आर द वुंड ऑफ लव. द चाइल्ड सेड टू द जाइंट, यू लेट मी प्ले वंस इन योर गार्डन. तुमने मुझे एक बार अपने गार्डन में खेलने दिया था ना. नाउ अब तुम्हें मेरे साथ मेरे गार्डन में चलना है. जो कौन सा गार्डन है? पैराडाइज में स्वर्ग है. एंड जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे जब अपने स्कूल से वापस जब गार्डन में आते हैं, तो वो देखते हैं कि जो जाइंट है वो मर गया होता है, और जो ट्री है उसने अपने सभी फ्लावर्स के साथ उसको ढक दिया होता है. मीन्स वो जो छोटा सा बच्चा उसने देखा था ना, वो क्या होता है, वो उसके जो नेल्स के जो निशान होते हैं उनकी वजह से वो मर गया होता है. तो वो उसको दोबारा लेने के लिए आता है अपने स्वर्ग में. अब आपने मुझे ये बताना है बच्चों कि जो उसके छोटे से बच्चे के हाथ और पैरों पे नेल्स के निशान थे वो कहाँ से आए थे. ओके, अगर आपने लेसन ध्यान से पढ़ा है तो आपको पता होगा. ओके, आफ्टर सम टाइम आई विल शेयर द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स.